Have you heard of Long Island kelp? Well, you will soon. Hi, I'm Rory McNish, and this is another Marine Minute Monday. Kelp aquaculture is a green industry that is expanding across New England. And here at CCE, we are excited to be a part of Long Island's kelp aquaculture expansion efforts. Not only is kelp super nutritious, it also cleans and oxygenates the water as it grows. Thanks to the generous support of the Moore Family Foundation, we partnered with Lazy Point Farms to produce kelp seed strings that were distributed to eager researchers and are currently being grown out at sites with varying conditions throughout Long Island. The results of this important work will help managers decide on the permitting measures necessary to keep this industry formally launched in New York waters. This has been a Marine Minute Monday produced by Cornell Cooperative Extension Marine Program.